Okay, for this question, they're asking you to find the intersection for the line y equals x with this monster of an equation, and if you use the substitution method, I think it will make it much simpler. So when they're asking you to intersect with y equals x, then that means that for all values on that line, y is equal to x, and so we want the same thing to happen in the other function, which would mean that we could replace all the y's in that function with x. So we're substituting x for y in the function that they gave you. Sorry. Start again. Okay. It will look like this. X squared plus x squared plus 2x all squared equals 4 times x squared plus x squared. Now, if you simplify this, you're going to multiply this trinomial, actually make it a binomial first if you collect like terms. And then we're going to expand both of these and simplify. And I think that you'll find that it works out to quite a simple solution at the end, because just about everything will cancel out. If you get stuck on the steps and you're still having trouble, email me back and send me your work, and I'll help you get going again on it. Thank you.